how to add or attach a picture to your text message on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, open up the text messages app. In here, open up a text conversation or you can start a new one. And then to start attach a pictures to your text, go down here at the bottom there is an add button, so tap on the plus button and then you can choose a picture from gallery or you can attach a GIF animation image. Here we will select gallery. In gallery we can choose an image, so here I will select this mosquito and then we tap on the send button here. Now here it said that we can write a caption. So mosquito, and then this is also this option here allow you to remix your photos. So select a photo and transform it into a new and unique creation built with Gemini. So here you can tap on the continue to remix or re-edit the image. Otherwise we can close it and use the original image and tap on the send button. Okay, so here you can send a text or hello, and then down here we can attach another image and then tap on done and then tap on send, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.